Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is the first animal is a dog. This is a dog. A dog is a farm animal. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next animal is a panda. This is a panda. The next one is a lion. This is a lion.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And
A rabbit. This is a rabbit.
With a here and
A tiger. This is a tiger.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The next one is a horse. This is a horse.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
A peacock.
And
This
on his
is
farm
a
he had some
peacock.
ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and
peacock.
there, here, there,
A
everywhere.
seagull. This is a seagull.